We went to many places on our trip to Vietnam, and when we were scheduled to meet with wine importers Foodie Group, we never expected the warm welcome we were met with. This tiny shop in Ho Chi Minh City was filled with people happy to talk about Washington wine. But perhaps the most excited of all was the matron of the house, Miss Ngoc Din.
And I feel like I'm at home because I'm surrounded by Washington wine. Thank you for having us. How long have you been doing this? How long have you been in the business?
Tôi làm về rượu này đã 30 năm.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
I working for white about I'm young, very young.
When you were very young.
Foodie is a family operation, which means her sons are very involved in the business.
10 years ago, nobody know about Washington wine. When they talk about American wine, they just talk about Napa Valley. We choose Washington wine also because we think like, okay, nobody knows, so we can be the best.
It's only been within the past 10 years or so that the people of Vietnam have really begun enjoying wine. As a relatively new beverage in the country, Foodie Group has been influential in showing people how amazing wine can be. With help from partnerships, they're importing great wine from around the world.
My name is Nishide from the Kame Corporation. The Kame Corporation is a trading company in Japan. When I visited Vietnam first time, I was surprised for the Vietnamese prefer to drink the beer. Right. However, some people can drink the wine. And everybody happy to drink. Wow, incredible.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite Washington wine?
I would love for the Riesling.
I like the Riesling too.
Oh, good.
I like the Chardonnay as well. And the Merlot. And I like them all.
Before in 1992, you know, in Vietnam, they don't know anything about wine.
Yeah.
When they sing the wine, they sing, what is this here?
Yeah. What is this?
Yeah, they don't understand where it's made from. So, I mean, like, they don't understand anything. But my mom is the first lady importing the wine into Vietnam.
It sounds like the people of Vietnam are learning a lot about wine.
Because of my mom, I think.
Yeah.
It is
because
true.
of your mom.
It is true. It is true. See, the first lady, I'm really proud of my mom. It is true.
Yeah.
See, the first lady to import her wine.
That's incredible. Girl power.
Yeah, girls power.
Before we left, we sat down with Foodie's sommelier wine specialist.
I'm Jean-Bernard Baudron, I'm French, and I'm a sommelier. Washington State are producing very amazing good wine, thanks to the climate, which gives a lot of freshness, a lot of elegance to the wine. So I love very much this wine, especially this brand.
Although we're far from home, it's never a bad time to try some Washington-grown Chateau Saint Michelle sparkling wine.
Talking is good, but tasting
Drinking
is
is better.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, cheers.
Tell me, yes, cheers.
So you can see we have a very nice pale yellow color, nice bubble, very tiny bubble.
Yeah.
So this is sign of quality for the sparkling wine. Very fresh, very citrusy, green apple, a lot of freshness. Very nice texture.
Easy.
Easy,
to drink.
easy. The bubbles are creamy, a lot of creaminess.
Yeah.
It's very smooth.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Pleasure to meet you.
Cheers.
Cheers.